Ole tuna kanen how to chu Union Public Service Commission in kumtina exam abo seitrin Indian Engineering Service kanen how dora he exam poi mo tak mai kumtin mi noi chung in an exam trin chu Mizo tam tak thalai tana anong me ria theinan le engineering zilai le zil chuak to tam tak tana thuron impact na ni pa formin kanen how don ani pakhatna Parks of Indian Engineering Service Indian Engineering Service tingtatana ham thatnate ihan en haudonila pakhatna chuan residential quarter or HRA andong thewa dearness allowance omboka leave travel allowance tour allowance omboka official vehicle andong thew boka gratuity omboka CGHS medical facility pekania Provident Fund andong boka personal assistant pekvek ani boka chu mai baka 7th pay commission nuaya an entry level salary yan en haudonila pay ben hi singa sangrukle za ania grade pay omlawa TA sangthum le zani DA 2% sangkhat zale somni pani DA on TA 125% sangli te ani hlohi promotion azira pung vesel ania tunlai khovela chuan apangai pol tak te jingami ani ome pani na workplace and allocation Indian Engineering Service a hloting te hi an posting na hi ai nang lo theva atlang puin public sector economy Indian Railways power ate telecommunication ate central water engineering ate defense service of engineering central engineering service ate da anitrin ani engineering branch le an kadre azirin an thona te po adang ve boka naza tak ni in promotion po service zinga chuan athapol ani na an tir hian assistant executive engineer anga lut ani tlang puya chairman managing director thleng te po an kai sang ve thin ani pathumna exam dan kalmang te yan en le donila exam hi UPSC in kumtin voikhat abua sai thina union government hian UPSC exam atangin ati thate le atlingte an select mai thin ani notification hi September le October in kara anti suak thina hemi hun chung hian form hi fill up zo vek turani fee hi 200 ni in ST SC le OBC tetan mechia bi ka fee om lawang H kumbithli achin hi kumsom ni pakhat atanga kumsom thum ni in OBC SC le ST tetan thumnga thleng athei bok qualification ve thunga hian engineering degree ne yangaya chungzinga chuan branch chi sang civil mechanical electronics electrical le telecommunication atang te pon qualification nei tan exam thei ani exam hi stage thum tho ania prelims mains le personal interview manga service a tlingte lak ani trin exam dan kalmang zinga prelims le mains te yan soifia le donila prelims hi January ya nei thin ni in objective type vek ania paper 1 ai hi candidate zong te exam tur ania general studies le engineering aptitude 200 marks dakar ni paper 2 engineering discipline specific thoni in civil mechanical electronic electrical telecommunication hengte tanga mani paper exam tu ania 300 marks 3 hours pekan ni boka prelims bika total mark hi 500 ani mains exam hi June tha nei thin in descriptive type ania paper 1 hi engineering discipline achunga prelims paper 2 a kan entesi ngami civil mechanical electronics electrical telecommunication te zinga mani paper exam turania 300 marks dakar thum pekani paper 2 bika hian engineering discipline thau specific thau ni in 300 marks dakar thum pekania mains bika total mark hi 600 ani prelims le mains a thu te hi interview tura ko ani thina august le september in kara nei thin ni in personal interview hian 300 marks apuni prelims mains le interviewer thu te hi medical examination nei le ni in chunga zira and fitness azir chuan appointment pek thinan nia candidate te engineering degree azira na po hi allocation siaman information dang syllabus te le poimo dang chu UPSC official web page www.upsc.gov.in nthe ani ole kha kan soita ka tangkhan in lo tangkai pui ngai kan be se a mizo thalai te thangthar te engineering lama tuina nei engineering zirmek le zirla tum tan he na hi du om takani ti kanin shiat ti duwa thalai te tan le mizoram tana na du om tak mai anam mang zong po thanna tam tak khan the tu tur ani ti ringin thalai te kanin fui ani thalai te exam tum te tan du sang na sam ber kan hlana chu